This video will be over 3 different topics within clouds and precipitation. First is precipitation. Precipitation is water that falls to Earth's surface in 4 different forms. These are rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Precipitation forms in the clouds when water vapor condenses. The more it condenses, the bigger the water droplets get, and when they are heavy enough, they will fall to the earth. Rain is the water droplets falling from the clouds. Snow forms when ice crystals stick together in the clouds to form snowflakes, and they also fall to the ground when they become heavy enough. Sleet is rain or melted snow that freezes into ice before hitting the ground. And hail is formed when raindrops are carried upward by the updrafts during a thunderstorm and freeze solid due to the extreme cold in the atmosphere. Next is weather fronts. A front is a boundary separating two masses of air with different densities. The 4 different types of fronts are cold front, warm front, occluded front, and stationary front. A cold front is the transition zone where a cold mass of air is replacing a warmer air mass. When a cold front is passing, usually the wind picks up and there is a sudden drop in temperature. A warm front is the transition zone where a warm air mass is replacing a cold air mass. A warm front can bring light rain or snow and is usually followed by warmer weather. An occluded front is formed when a warm air mass is caught between 2 cold air masses. The temperature usually drops, and this type of front can bring strong winds and lots of precipitation. A stationary front forms when a cold front and warm front meet and they both stop moving because of a lack of air mass. This usually produces clouds and fog and can also cause rain or snow. Lastly, airlifting. The lifting of air is important for the formation of clouds and rain. Orographic lifting is when air is forced to rise and move over a mountainous region. Convergence is when air flows in from multiple directions and it collides and causes the air to move upward.